They were supposed to split us that one. And a loose prop. Again, there is something with the new nuts on the Zing motors. It sucks. Despite the low temperature, I'm going to be flying in one of the bandos. That we usually fly in the most, because people don't bother us here. Now the reason why I want to be focusing on lines is because my attention span is really bad. Once I get one trick, I lose focus and I don't do any more tricks. Today is going to be DVR day because my GoPro is dead and this is a dummy just to get the weight in. So just so you know. Yeah, camera's holding up. The tripod here is a branch actually. All right. Not proper, but okay. Yep. Down the stairs. I'm proper. Oh, hey, jumpy quad. Something's off. And over and out. Oof. All right, how many tricks was that? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That was 5. Wow. Surprised. All right, what can we do now? That's fun. That looks way better. Okay, we can make this line prettier, can we? Let's see. There's any people? No. We have enough battery. Do it again. What the hell? Drunk and flying. Do it again. Oh yeah. You hear that? Not happening. Let's do this with lag.
Nomine Patris et Filii et Spiritus Sancti.
Black screen. Does that mean battery ejected?
Telemetry lost.
Yes. All right. Next spot. Fuck this. I guess the spot is closed, but we got some deer. All right. No more flying today. Got in a few lines, happy with that. Now it's home to fix all the broken shit.
Fight! Fight!
In nomine Patris et Filii et Spiritus Sancti.
Black screen.